Oh, there she is. There she is. Ooh, man. PJ trailer. 30 feet long, LD series. Got the deck on the neck. Got the spare tire in the front. I think that's a Demco hitch. Got the hydraulic. Ooh. Hydraulic jacks. Oh, what? Get in there. Ooh. What? Yeah, no more cranking. No more cranking. Got another toolbox there on the side. Some more stuff. Oh, yeah. Believe I got the Load Range G tires. Take a look at it from the back. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's climb up here. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 26 years in business. Birthday present to myself. Oh yeah, we're about to do some big things. We about to do some big things, guys. We about to do some big things, guys. Oh, yeah. Cool. Oh yeah. Another storage box. Oh yeah, no more cranking. Oh, I gotta watch that deck on the neck. Oh yeah. Guys, let's get it. Let's get it.